Hi, Long.
Hello, Jor!
Hi
Hi
sa
sa mga
mga
bisita!
bisita.
Jore, we're very sorry that Chin and I can't be there today. Alam ko na gustong-gusto niya yung demo na nandyan kami at dahil dyan meron kaming surprise sa inyong dalawa.
Tama. So, on the count of 3, lingon kayo sa likod, ha?
1,
1, 2,
2,
3.
3.
Yay! Wala kami dyan.
Andito lang talaga kami.
Biro lang, guys.
Anyway, on a serious note, Jore, Chin and I are very, very happy na sa wakas natupad na ang inyong mga pangarap.
Correct.
Eto na talaga to.
Stay in love with each other always.
Always be faithful to each other.
Oh, yan. Parang kay Balong.
Yes.
Biro lang.
And meron kaming advice sa inyo to have a lasting relationship.
Okay, ikaw na, be.
Yes. Para kay Jore, Jore, landiin mo si Dimuel like you're his number 2, but love him like you're his number 1.
Sa'yo naman, Balong, always remember na Jory is always right. Even when she's wrong, she's still right. Oh, Jory, am I right or am I right?
Alright.
Anyway, guys, congratulations. We love you.
We love you guys. Congratulations.
Bye-bye.
See you next year.